Welcome to our copywriting course focused on blogging. If you're looking to improve your writing skills and create compelling content that engages readers, then you're in the right place. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a successful blogger, from crafting attention-grabbing headlines to developing your own unique voice and style. You'll learn the key principles of effective copywriting and how to apply them to your blog, as well as practical tips and techniques for writing headlines, introductions, and body copy that keeps readers coming back for more. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the tools and knowledge you need to write engaging, high-quality blog posts that capture your audience's attention and drive traffic to your site. So, whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, join us and take your writing skills to the next level. Benefits of blogging for businesses. 1. Increases website traffic. By regularly creating fresh and valuable content on your blog, you can attract more visitors to your website and improve your search engine rankings. 2. Builds brand awareness. Blogging is a great way to establish your brand and position yourself as an authority in your industry. This can lead to increased visibility and credibility among potential customers. 3. Generates leads. Blogging provides an opportunity to capture leads by including calls to action within your blog posts. By offering valuable resources or products, you can encourage readers to provide their contact information and move them further down the sales funnel. 4. Enhances customer engagement. Blogs provide a platform for businesses to interact with their customers and prospects. By encouraging comments and feedback, you can gain valuable insights into the needs and preferences of your target audience. 5. Increases social media presence. Sharing your blog posts on social media can help you reach a wider audience and increase your social media following. This can lead to increased engagement and potential leads for your business. Overall, blogging is an effective and cost-efficient way for businesses to establish their online presence, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to their website. Types of blog posts. There are several types of blog posts that are popular and effective in today's blogging landscape. Here are a few examples. 1. How-to guides. These types of posts provide step-by-step instructions on how to complete a task or solve a problem. 2. Listicles. These are articles that are structured as a list, such as 10 ways to boost your productivity. 3. Infographics. Visual representations of information or data that are easy to read and share. 4. Interviews. Featuring an interview with an expert in your industry or a thought leader can provide unique insights for your readers. 5. Case studies. These types of posts provide real-world examples of how a product or service solved a problem for a customer. 6. Personal stories. Sharing personal experiences or stories can help build a connection with your audience. It's important to keep in mind that different types of blog posts will resonate with different audiences, so it's essential to experiment and see what works best for your business and target audience. Tips on how to create a successful blog. 1. Identify your target audience. Before you start blogging, you need to know who you're writing for. Define your ideal reader and create content that speaks directly to them. 2. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic or niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you establish yourself as an authority and attract a loyal following. 3. Develop a constant strategy. Plan out your content in advance and create a schedule for publishing new posts. This will help you stay organized and consistent in your blogging efforts. 4. Write quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and valuable to your readers. Make sure to proofread and edit your posts before publishing them. 5. Use visuals. Incorporate images, video, infographics, and other visual content to make your blog posts more engaging and shareable. 6. Promote your blog. Share your blog posts on social media, email newsletters, and other channels to attract more readers and build a following. 7. Build relationships. Engage with your readers, respond to comments, and build relationships with other bloggers in your niche. This will help you grow your audience and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. 8. Stay committed. Blogging takes time and effort, so stay committed to your blog and continue to create quality content. Over time, your blog will grow and become a valuable resource for your readers. More tips on how to create a successful blog. 1. Consistency. Posting regular content on a consistent schedule can help keep your audience engaged and build a following over time. 2. Quality content. Creating high-quality content that is informative, entertaining, and valuable to your target audience can help establish your credibility and authority in your niche. 3. SEO. Optimizing your blog posts for search engines can help increase your visibility and drive more traffic to your site. 4. Networking. Connecting with other bloggers, influencers, and industry experts in your niche can help you build relationships, gain exposure, and grow your audience. 5. Engagement. Encouraging comments, feedback, and social shares can help increase engagement with your content and build a community around your blog. 6. Monetization. Exploring different ways to monetize your blog, such as through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content, can help you generate income from your blog. SEO blogging and getting high-quality backlinks. 1. Conduct keyword research. Use the tools we're showing you in the course to find high-volume, low-competition keywords related to your blog topic. Include these keywords naturally in your blog post. 2. Write high-quality content. Make sure your blog posts are well-written, informative, and engaging. High-quality content is more likely to attract backlinks. 3. Guest posting. Look for opportunities to guest post on other high-authority websites in your niche. This can help you get quality backlinks and also drive traffic to your own blog. 4. Broken link building. Find broken links on other websites and offer to replace them with your own relevant content that includes a backlink to your blog. 5. Use social media. Share your blog posts on social media platforms to drive traffic and increase visibility. You can also engage with your audience and other bloggers in your niche to build relationships and potentially gain backlinks. 6. Collaborate with other bloggers. Collaborate with other bloggers in your niche on projects or content, and link to each other's blogs to increase visibility and potentially gain backlinks. Remember, building high-quality backlinks takes time and effort, but it's worth it to improve your blog's visibility and SEO. SEO broken link building. Broken link building can be a great way to generate backlinks to your new blog. Here are some smart ways to proceed with broken link building. 1. Find broken links. Use tools like Ahrefs or Moz to find broken links on other blogs or websites in your niche. 2. Create similar content. Create similar content to the page that has the broken link. This will increase your chances of getting a link from the website owner. 3. Reach out to the website owner. Reach out to the website owner or blogger and let them know about the broken link on their page. Offer your content as a replacement for the broken link. 4. Be polite and professional. Keep your outreach polite and professional. Remember, you're asking for a favor, so it's important to be respectful. 5. Follow up. If you don't hear back from the website owner, follow up with a friendly reminder. Sometimes it can take a few tries to get a response. 6. Keep track of your efforts. Keep track of your broken link building efforts in a spreadsheet so you can easily follow up and track your progress. By using these smart strategies, you can effectively build high-quality backlinks to your new blog and increase your search engine rankings. Tips for incorporating video and podcast content into your blog. Video content. Create short videos that provide helpful tips or advice on your blog topic. Use videos to showcase product demos, customer testimonials, or behind-the-scenes look at your business. Embed videos directly into your blog posts or create a dedicated video channel on your website. Podcasts. Use podcasts to create long-form content that dives deeper into a specific topic. Invite guest speakers or experts to provide additional insights and perspectives. Make sure your podcast is available on popular platforms like Apple Podcasts and Spotify to reach a wider audience. Remember, incorporating video and podcast content can add variety to your blog and help keep your audience engaged. Just make sure to keep your content relevant and high quality. Using the power of social media. Here are some ideas on how to incorporate social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok into your blogging strategy. 1. Share your blog posts on your social media accounts. When you publish a new blog post, make sure to share it on your social media accounts. This will help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your website. 2. Use Instagram and Facebook stories to promote your blog. Stories are a great way to promote your blog posts and engage with your followers. You can use Instagram and Facebook stories to share snippets from your blog posts, behind-the-scenes content, or other related content. 3. Create video content. Video content is becoming increasingly popular and can be a great way to promote your blog. You can create videos that cover the same topics as your blog posts or that offer additional insights and tips. 4. Host live events on social media. Hosting live events on social media, such as Facebook Live or Instagram Live, can help you engage with your followers in real time and promote your blog. 5. Use hashtags. Hashtags can help you reach a wider audience on social media. Make sure you use relevant hashtags when you share your blog posts and other related content on social media. 6. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers. Collaborating with other bloggers and influencers can help you reach new audiences and drive more traffic to your blog. You can collaborate on blog posts, social media content, or other related projects. 7. Use TikTok to create short-form videos. TikTok is a popular platform for short-form videos. You can use TikTok to create fun and engaging videos that promote your blog and drive traffic to your website. Remember, social media can be a great way to promote your blog and engage with your followers, but it's important to use it strategically and focus on the platforms that are most relevant to your audience. It is possible to make money as a blogger. There are several ways to monetize a blog, including 1. Advertise. You can display ads on your blog and earn money through ad revenue. This can be done through ad networks such as Google AdSense or by partnering with individual advertisers. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services on your blog and earn a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. 3. Sponsored posts. You can work with brands to create sponsored content on your blog. This is when a company pays you to write about their product or service. 4. Digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables on your blog. 5. Consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer consulting or coaching services to your readers. It's important to note that making money as a blogger takes time and effort. You need to build up your audience, create high-quality content, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. But with persistence and dedication, it's definitely possible to turn your blog into a profitable business.